In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link databases in Notion. Determining how to efficiently manage your digital workspace can be a game changer for productivity. So, let's dive right in and learn how to link databases in Notion for a more streamlined and organized experience. To begin this process, you'll need to create a new page in your Notion workspace. This is your starting point. Once you're in your Notion workspace, simply initiate by creating a new page. You'll want to give your new page a title that suits its purpose or the content it will hold. This helps keep things organized and identifies the page easily at a glance. After naming your page, opt for creating an empty page by clicking on Empty Page. This sets up a clean slate for the steps that follow. With your new blank page ready, it's time to bring up the command menu. Simply type a /BYU on your keyboard. This action opens up a myriad of options at your disposal. What you're looking for here is Linked Database. Start typing Linked Database in the search bar that appears, and you'll see it pop up in the list of options. Now, the magic begins as you click on Linked Database. This action allows you to choose from the databases available in your workspace. You can browse through the list of databases that you have set up previously. Pick the one you want to link to your new page. Once you've selected the desired database, it will instantly appear on your new page, fully linked. What happens next is that the database becomes an interactive component of your page. You'll be able to view, manage, and interact with all the properties and data contained in that database directly from this page. It's almost like having a mini dashboard that brings essential data right where you need it. Linking databases in Notion is not only simple, but it's an effective way to keep your workspace efficient. With linked databases, data can be seamlessly cross-referenced and accessed without navigating away from your primary working space. This streamlined approach aids in reducing clutter and ensures that you have quick access to important information, thereby boosting productivity. And there you have it. A quick, simple, yet powerful way to link databases in Notion to keep everything neatly organized. It's an excellent method for anyone looking to enhance their digital productivity tools. Don't forget to check the description for helpful links where you'll find more insights and tips. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with Notion.